See guys, Pixel 7 and Pixel earbuds for nothing. Yeah. Right there guys, there it was, almost on the top of the list. Something I've had my eyes on already. The Google Pixel 7. So it's already about £100 lower. It had this free gift icon next to it. And I thought, oh, I'll have a look at that. Could be interesting. I wonder what that is. So I had a look and there was two options, basically, for the Pixel Buds Pro. So I got those two for the price of that. It's thrown in. And it wasn't even from Google. So that's all pretty good. With the Pixel 7, one of the good things that I was thinking of was it's got this YouTube algorithm for when it's doing the encoding of the videos. So for me, that's quite useful. So this could be my work phone, and I might get the iPhone for my personal use. But really, it'd be helpful if the price drops, or if you like this video and like any of my other videos, do some sharing, share my channel. If you can help me, then I can get the iPhone, and then the iPhone 15 is coming out. So we're going to dive in, unbox quickly. You can pick that up and tear that open because of the arrow on it. Well, how interesting is that? So we've got it unboxed. It's got this nice little steel support on there. The camera sticks out a bit, it's a bit weird. In there we've got a Google book, no doubt some information there. We've got USB-C to USB-A. That no doubt is for transferring files. Maybe it can be used to convert in any lead for powering up anything. And then we've got USB-C to C. It's a 6.7 inch QHD OLED with Victus glass. It has, this one has 8 gigabytes of LPDDR5 RAM with 128 storage, but it can go up to 512. The CPU is a Google Tensor G2, so it's Google's own processor at 2.85 gigahertz. Just powering up my new Google Pixel 7. Welcome to your Pixel. You can transfer from one phone to another with your new phone. Connect the cables into each device, and now it's basically saying about copy, and I know I will need to tell it not to copy my photographs because I've got in here an extra 128 SD card, so that's not going to be able to fit all the images across. So hopefully it's going to give me an option. So here we now got what to copy across and how much it's going to take, how much space. So it says there's 85 gigs of 87. So somehow we have got space.